listen to this. You didn't beat nobody, and anybody who knows boxing knows the fight was fixed.
Why can't you ignore it?
I was wondering if you wouldn't mind marrying me very much.
I do.
Thanks.
Can I be honest? No one's going to offer you an office job. There's too much competition. Why don't you fight? I've read somewhere you're a very good fighter.
Was you ever punched in the face 500 times a night? It stings after a while, you know.
Why go after Bell?
Because there's still a lot of people out there that think he won. I want something done publicly to bring this man up.
You realize that you're setting yourself up as the bad guy.
Look, man, whatever gets him in the ring. The man's running, the man's hiding, the man doesn't want to face me.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know, I was thinking about fighting.
I want all of Philadelphia, I want all of America, I want the whole world to see me destroy this man after 2 short rounds.
Rocky, please. You don't have to prove anything.
It's all I know.
Let's take a break, okay?
Come November, you're mine.
I never asked you to stop being a woman, you know. Please, don't ask me to stop being a man.
Now he's all finished. Forget this bum. Man, I won, but I didn't beat him.
You go back to being a two-bit nothing, but don't you ever come back here again, because I'm too old to waste my time trying to train a no-good loser like you.
Don't worry about nothing. You just sleep as long as you want, okay? I'm gonna be here when you wake up.
Don't lay down, Uncle Baptist. Why don't you stand up and fight this guy hard?
Those of you who are watching tonight's telecast, we're going to see a real great battle in every sense of the word.
There's one thing I want you to do for me.
What?
Win